another episode here on the Richter Show. Today we're actually at the Botanical Garden here in Oklahoma City. So follow me and we're going to take a look all around the Botanical Garden. Let's go.
This is actually a 15-acre botanical garden in Oklahoma City, downtown district. It actually offers visitors seasonal activities such as bulb displays, concerts, movies, classes, annual children's festivals, and much more. Now, if you come here, you can also explore the Inasmuch Foundation Crystal Bridge Conservatory, which actually features an exterior grounds that are free to roam around and observe. Now, all the plants that you see inside here actually are labeled, and you can see the name of it and a small explanation of it and where in the world these plants are actually located, so that way you can educate yourself a bit on where each plant comes from. Some do actually get fruits and vegetables. They do get picked off from what I was able to gather, because they're actually not like some type of restaurant, so they would need like permits for it, and they are actually a non-profit organization. Now over here you can actually smell some of the plants, so you have a sense of pretty much what the fruit or the vegetable smells like, or the leaf. Right here, this is when I was actually on the bridge, but there's actually a lot more when you go down to where the actual garden is. And of course I always have to film myself to show that it is me, that is actually the one that's showing the place and exploring. Now it actually is decorated a little bit more as a Christmas theme, because since we're so close to Christmas, they actually wanted to fit the month of December, which is when I went out here. Now over here you can actually see that what I was explaining, that each plant has its name and a small brief explanation, so you know exactly what it is, in case if maybe you want to buy it when you go home, or you want to research it more later on, you know what it is. So this is the papaya. It's really nice. Now on some of these, actually they have, you can see like the seeds and what they look like. Obviously this one was too hard if you want to look around the floor, so they actually have a little display on it. Okay, so I'm actually gonna come back again to the same place, but this time I'm coming at night. In my case, you were able to buy the afternoon ticket, and with that same ticket you could come back later on at night and re-enter the botanical garden, so you could actually enjoy the night show of it. Or should I say like the night lights.
I'm at the Botanical Garden again, but I'm actually at night because they have a light show. This only happens actually like towards December, where they have some lights, or it's Christmas. So usually it closes at 5, but right now it closes around 8. Alright, let's go check it out.
This is a really beautiful waterfall now with the lights on and the whole Christmas theme. Even though you are basically looking at the same things, it actually is a nice experience to see it at night with all the lights on, and they do have some background music to make your experience a little more joyful. Obviously it's going to be more Christmas themed music. So let's enjoy the decoration a bit and the lights. In case if you were wondering, they actually do have bathrooms here. And they do actually have a small gift shop as well, where you can actually take some souvenirs to remember it, like magnets, books, pictures, postcards, shirts. It's right at the entrance, right before you enter the botanical garden. And here we are at the bridge again.
Yeah, it is nicer.
Now here's a view from the opposite side. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. Quote from Albert Einstein. And just some gift decorations on the wall. And a giant gift wrapped.
And don't forget to like and subscribe here only on The Richter Show. See you on the next garden review here on The Richter Show.
Shout out to the host of the Richter. This the Richter Show. The Richter Show.